Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's see here.
What did you find, Doctor?
Well, I did find its intestines.
Interesting color they are.
What are you going to do with them?
I think I could mix them up with them. I think I can mix the guts up.
Then what are you going to do?
Maybe eat it or put in the eye.
Ew. Let's see.
See what I'm gonna do.
Those don't look like human intestines.
No, they're alien intestines. Alien, I know the alien kind of looks like human. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a look at it.
Oh, they look slippery.
Yeah, it's because they've been in here. Okay, gotta get a closer look. Oh, there they are.
You going to eat those?
I think.
Okay.
Maybe not. Yeah, pretty good.